Hey, you are watching FaheemShaheen, Learn and Talk. Alphabet Stories, Series 3, Call's Cat by FaheemShaheen. Call has a cat. Call can call his cat. The cat will come. Call's cat is cute. Call's cat is clean. Call's cat is calm. Call's cat can find mice. Call's cat can chase mice. Call's cat can catch mice. Call has a cat. Call can call his cat. The cat will come. Call's cat is cute. Call's cat is clean. Call's cat is calm. Call's cat can find mice. Call's cat can chase mice. Call's cat can catch mice. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Please subscribe my channel.